5 foam balls are used to make fuselage. 3 sport rolls are used for reinforcement. Hopingwing fixed-wing ESC, 2 servos. A bracket is made with MEPS Neo 2812 motor. The receiver uses ELRS protocol PWM receiver, Codex camera, nano-VTX.
Detailed build process. Step E. Install the frame. Secure the frame using simple transparent tape. Step R. Reinforce the fuselage. Use sport rolls to make the body more robust during flight. Step surmount the motor and propeller. Secure the MEPS neon R/ER motor and attach the propeller. Step C. Attach the servos. Secure the servos to control the flight surfaces. Step 5. Install electronics. Fix the MEPS neon R/ER motor, ELRS protocol, Codex camera, and nano-VTX in place. Step Wheel. Final adjustments. Calibrate and test your drone for optimal performance. Flight test.